Xiamen Beewill Sanitary Company Limited is a specialized manufacturer of duroplast toilet seats in Xiamen, China. It was founded by a team of professionals who is seeking to be different in quality, innovation, and for happier life. Beewill started from its own patented technologies and was born with a gene in pursuing innovations. The R&D team develops new products every year, so has armed the company with complete categories of products, including regular toilet seats, color or decor toilet seats, Careline toilet seats, and bidet seats. The products are conformed to the strict standards of DIN 19516, according to the tests by TUV and SGS. Beewill has full inspections on the key procedures from tooling, compression molding, polishing, assembly, to packaging, ensuring no defected products to get to customers. The factory has been certified by BSCI since 2013 and has gained ISO 9001 certification. The key procedures, including compression molding and polishing, will realize full automation in next year. Our market has covered wide areas of Europe, America, Africa, Oceania, Middle East, and Southeast Asia, and Europe ranks first. Customers can either select an existing product or working with us on OEM or ODM projects. Our professional customer service team will offer one-stop service to your request